Today we're making a drink so good, it didn't
that it got taken away.
Didn't make it through the episode.
And he's literally drinking it from the mixing glass.
That's all we were left with.
Yeah.
We were mugged.
Yeah, but at least the ice isn't going on my face.
No, it's not.
Because I have a julep strainer that you can get at awesomedrinks.com.
Promos right in the lead-in?
Love it!
Woo! Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek are going to make for you, and it's Ian, the Norwegian Wood. This is a fall cocktail.
It's going to be lovely.
It's going to be woody.
It's going to be spicy.
So this is from Morganthaler. Well, that's the guy. He calls it, the article was called, you can Google this, the perfect fall cocktail includes not a drop of pumpkin spice.
Because who wants pumpkin spice?
Yeah, who
Probably
wants
a lot
pumpkin
of
spice?
people,
It's
not
everywhere.
today.
If you want pumpkin spice, we got the cocktails for you.
What do we say to the god of pumpkin spice?
My girl wants pumpkin
Not
spice
today.
up in this bitch.
Pumpkin spice.
Apple cider.
See? It's all about the apple cider.
Don't worry about
spice
the voices in the background.
Love my
They don't make sense.
Our executive producer is Chris Mura. He's a YouTube member. You should click the join button and join Chris so that you can get a shout out like Chris did. The recipe. It's 1 ounce of aquavit, 1 ounce of applejack or apple brandy,
Aquavit.
3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth, 1/4 ounce of Chartreuse yellow, and 1 ounce of Angostura bitters. That's yellow.
1 ounce of Angostura bitters?
No.
No.
Yes.
1 ounce.
Oh,
wow,
shit.
cool.
I don't
1
know.
ounce.
Notice I didn't change them to OZ. So I just copied
1
and pasted
ounce.
and moved on. Okay, that's interesting.
That's now
copy
the
and
drink
paste
just
it.
got interesting.
I copy and
What the
paste
fuck
it.
is
That's
this?
why you have the fallness.
Right. This is like the Trinidad.
Yeah, Trinidad Sour.
It's gonna be good.
What the fuck
All right.
is this?
Let's give me a glass.
What the
What
fuck
is this?
I have high hopes for this thing. That's
Yeah,
like
I
that's gonna be
You
like.
know what? The whole attitude in the room changed when everybody found out it was an ounce of Angostura. What is wrong with this group of people?
I don't know. There's a lot.
Back in the
It's
day,
Good.
back
Have you
in
had
the
it?
day, this would have been gross.
Aquavit.
But now we're all like, wait a minute.
It's never been gross to me.
Oh yeah.
Now there's just a lot of
You're
talking.
a special snowflake.
It's always been yummy. Tonic water and bitters.
Oh.
So if you hadn't had aquavit before,
Yeah. So you tell us what that's like, because I
All right,
never
I'll say what
reviewed
it's
it. I don't even know where I got it.
You got a julep strainer under there, Derek?
I do.
Thanks, bud.
it tastes like black licorice.
Ah, you
That might
don't.
be rough for me.
Black licorice?
I don't like.
No, but there's a lot. You'll be fine because there's a lot of Ango.
It's only a 1/4 ounce.
Yeah, it's just a little bit.
So
This is distilled from grain, caraway, and star anise. So think of imagine gin without the juniper flavor. Boom.
I can see this totally fall. We got the sweet. We
All
got
right.
the Antico.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna get a photo of this.
Capone
It
Antico.
looks beautiful.
We got the bitters.
This is gonna be interesting.
How's it look on the camera?
Looks like
It's
a
good.
almost
So-
like a Manhattan.
I couldn't wait.
When I was looking up the recipe, Morganthaler
good?
said,
Can I drink it?
"Yeah, you can drink
That's
it."
a serious fall.
He
drink.
said, "You should get
1 ounce
aquavit
of
if you can
Mango.
get Krog's
good.
Stott." And I had it.
Fall by the fireplace.
I don't even
I
know
like
where this came
This is
from.
good. This is my kind of drink right
Yeah.
here.
Oh
I
damn,
figured when I saw an ounce of Ango, I'm like, oh, Ian's gonna like this.
It's good, right?
it is
You
good.
got more than that cup. You could
Oh, it's
just pour
bitter.
one for us over here.
Mm.
I'll just drink from here, and you guys can have the.
Oh,
How do I drink from here?
well, that's nice.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, John's
That's
gonna.
Thinking of us, Ian.
That's really
That's what I'm
fall.
thinking
It's
of
dry.
us.
I haven't done
It
anything
is-
wrong yet.
It's got a dry finish. There
Yeah.
isn't a lot of black licorice. You don't get too much vermouth.
I think the vermouth and the aquavit cancel each other out, and the Angostura kind
Angostura
of covers them all in a blanket.
Yeah, without being too bitter.
And a nice cozy
Nice
fall.
cozy
blanket.
fall blanket.
I can definitely. I get the vermouth and
Aquavit is to caraway. That gin is to juniper. I'll buy that. It's caraway.
Yeah.
It's like medicine.
see. I don't know because I just drank that straight, so
It's
I
got-
think that's why I can taste more of
Well, I
it.
can still taste it in the drink, but
Yeah,
I don't get.
I mean it's not like heavy and it's not like
No, but
off-putting.
a little bit of black licorice isn't.
No,
the scary part about this drink is it's all booze, right?
Why is that scary?
yeah,
There's nothing in here that's non-alcoholic.
Really? Oh, yeah.
no.
juices.
Yeah.
It's all
That's
bitter.
what I mean. It's like drinking.
It's all spirit.
Oh, Jen, you're.
Yeah, it's like
Let's see what Jen thinks.
it's like a clove Manhattan because the clove
It's
is
yeah.
because of the Angostura.
good way
You
to-
should put a cherry in it.
Oh
There you go.
That would be good with a cherry in it.
yeah, it's Okay, I didn't expect that.
It's strong.
Ooh, I like that.
It's strong though.
Tastes like holidays.
You drink a couple of those on the holidays,
that's
it's gonna put you in a
holidays
butt.
cup. That is
Yeah.
a Thanksgiving
Jen,
drink.
It's a Thanksgiving miracle.
Yeah, I put a cherry in it.
Oh, it's not bad.
Really?
So you want to
You
share?
like that? It's it's a little bitter. That chartreuse definitely makes it a little bitter. I mean, it's not like
Cherries. Medicine-y.
yes.
I can taste the black licorice too.
Ian is carrying.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good though.
It definitely like you
But
can
it's
taste that it's all alcohol. Like
It is
it's
balanced.
But it's
Oh,
good.
Yeah.
it's not bad at all.
Come
I
on,
need a cherry.
Ian.
I'm not going to put a cherry and then I'm taking it.
it's
Oh,
kind of
I'm
like
glad
a
I'm-
fall.
I'm glad I'm getting the camera on this one though, because this is fucking good. Like him just stabbing the
I got
cherries.
2.
That's amazing.
I'm an excellent spear fisherman.
This would be great by my fire.
I guess we're not gonna drink it. Oh, you got some of that.
Ah,
It is good.
no, so I guess I didn't read the recipe
Goodbye,
close
drink.
enough.
Goodbye, drink.
Good night, Moon. Goodbye, drink.
In the great green room with a red balloon.
I did not know when I wrote the recipe. I did not realize it was an ounce of Angostura. I literally copy and pasted, and I stopped.
I
at
think
sweet-
the Angostura saves it.
And you probably didn't expect it to be a 5 out of 5.
No, I was making this because it said fall cocktail.
Oh, that's
I'm like,
really good.
I was confused because the recipe as it was designed looked like it was going to be super herbal, and Morganthaler doesn't typically make bad drinks. So I was like, his amaretto stone sour is like fantastic. I was like, well, it can't be bad. He puts so much work into creating his recipes. So I was like, it can't be bad, but I don't understand why it's not. Because it had these ingredients
It's
and
got a
they're
lot of strong flavors in it.
yeah. And I was
Well, I
like,
mean,
this
there's
is
no
gonna be-
juice in it or anything. Like
No.
But you know
that
what?
is
I
straight
really
up.
don't get the applejack. I
I
think
mean-
that kind of gets lost.
You
That-
can make this for me in the morning while I'm cooking the turkey on Thanksgiving.
It's gonna be a very short day.
Yeah, by the time it's done, you're gonna be like, bleh.
You're
You're going to be done before the turkey's done.
You're gonna walk into the kitchen. She's gonna have a turkey on her head going
Yeah.
like this. I'm like, look at this, Dad! Look at this!
It's how you
She's gonna be homeless eating mashed potatoes in the corner.
Like,
Why are
honey,
you eating
you need to
drumsticks? We
mash
haven't
them
served
first.
food yet.
But this is like sit by the fire.
It's awesome.
This is like sit by the
Hey, now that
fire.
you got a fireplace.
I know.
You finally got a drink
I
for
do
it.
that all the time.
I
You're
know.
gonna have to bring all this shit over, because I don't have any of it. I don't have any of
Do you
this.
know that there's an alcohol store where you could get this?
This is like
I don't know. I thought it was in Hudson.
This is like $200 or $300 worth of booze.
Okay, so
Oh yeah.
You got to bring that over.
Do you know how much it would cost for me to make this drink? You're gonna have to come over. Guess you're coming to Thanksgiving.
so I gave you a bottle of Angostura, so you have that. That was
Oh,
that
Angostura,
came with
yeah.
your anniversary
This
gift,
is like
right?
25
so you're
bucks, right?
good. 25.
Yeah.
Yep, that's probably
Oh, you guys are coming over
20s.
for Thanksgiving?
This is
Do you know how much this is?
That's like
lot.
60 bucks.
Yes,
fine.
that's like $65.
Yeah.
And I don't even
I
know
know,
how
I
to
bought
buy
one
this
today.
shit.
It's right here. This is I just spent it. That I don't
Yeah,
even know where I
so-
got.
So if you
that.
wanted to make this drink, you're 65, 90.
How much is the aquavit?
90, 100. You're 150, 160
Yeah.
bucks in for this drink.
No, I mean I could bring those over because I don't
But if you could
never
drink a
use
lot
them
of
on
them.
anything else.
If you're gonna drink a lot of them, then
Right.
Yeah.
We drink a lot of everything.
Oh, these
Yeah.
are good though.
Yeah.
you're gonna drink a lot of these.
So ironically
No,
though,
she could drink. She could drink a couple.
You can drink a couple of these, and then
And then-
you're gonna stop talking and disappear.
Yeah.
or it could be like that.
They're like, what are you looking at?
You get angry before you stop talking. That's right.
Except for that.
No, I now just disappear.
No, last time she fell asleep, I was talking to her, and I only knew
Well.
when she started snoring that she wasn't listening.
You sure that wasn't just you, or
Yeah.
No, I have it on video.
He
okay?
was talking to me as I was laying on the floor in front of the fireplace with my hood up though.
Okay, well that
Like,
yeah.
that's his own fault.
But I was talking to you when you walked over and laid down.
Don't get surprised when the guy in the bar
You were
starts drinking
standing
beer.
when I started the
Yeah.
conversation.
But then I laid down, you're done.
She could either.
You to stop talking.
Yeah, she could have also just said, "Stop talking." Instead, she's like, "I'm gonna let you do that."
But what she would say is, "Why are you even talking to me?"
Yeah.
She's gotta get the
Yelled
mean
at when
face.
I'm
Yeah, it would be the mean
And
face.
then
Yeah.
I'm not mean, and everyone's like, "Oh, you just fell asleep."
Well, it's either one or two, right?
All
Yeah.
these expectations.
It's just-
No one's ever happy.
No,
No, we're always
I'm
happy.
either too
Yeah.
angry,
Right.
too sleepy.
Well, we're always happy.
We love it. It's
Yeah.
great.
All right.
All
All
right.
right,
All
Bruce
right.
is telling me to cut this off. So what I'm going to tell you is you go to OnStage.com, go to click on the sale button. You can get all kinds of bitters, all kinds of cheap Bitterman's Bitter Cube, Fee Brothers, like $6 for a bottle of Fee Brothers. Just get them out of my fucking basement.
You need bitters.
Yeah, you need them.
Bitters are awesome.
Yes.
You need them for this.
Coming from someone who doesn't even use bitters, but I do
Right.
like them.
Yes.
If you want a holiday bitter,
It does.
Fee Brothers, what are they? Just the classic Angostura, or what's the Fee Brothers aromatic bitters?
Right.
Just their aromatic bitters. It has like nutmegs and cloves, and they're really good for punches around the holidays. That one, right? Like none of the other aromatics taste like Fee Brothers. Fee Brothers taste like holiday. The other ones have more bitter to them.
I think that's what you've always put in. You've added to drinks.
Yeah.
That we've tried to make like holiday drinks.
You just
must
throw
be
that
what
in.
it is.
It's like
That
Christmas.
smells
Yeah, it's all good.
Christmas.
It's just a Christmas thing.
Christmas
So you can
bitters.
get it for like $5.99 or something like that on AwesomeRace.com. I say something like that because it was like 2 hours ago and I put the price reduction. No coupon code needed. You just go and you add them to your cart. Click on the sale button. Buy all the other.
Buy it now.
It's Christmas, right? Is that
Buy
what
it
you're
now.
putting on your
Yeah.
head this Christmas?
No, that's
root beer.
different.
Root beer?
Root beer bitters.
Well, that's weird. We're talking
Oh,
about
root
the other
beer
bitters.
Root beer bitters also on sale.
Throwing us off.
All bitters on sale.
That's on sale. That one too. I don't even know what it is, but I know it's bitter cube. So it's on sale.
Jamaican #1.
On
That
sale.
was actually pretty good too.
Yep. Jamaican #1 makes a good generalized bitter.
Yeah. It's good.
It's Rudy.
Yeah.
Jamaican.
Sassafrasy.
It's probably yes. It's gonna have sassafras.
You're
Probably
sassafras.
some
You're a sassafras.
what do they call the thing that they have over there? Allspice. It's kind of an allspice
All
flavor.
about the holiday drinks.
So get those while they're hot until they're gone, and then you don't get them anymore. Sidebar, I'm going to put some videos over there because that's what you do on YouTube. And if you're on Facebook, you don't see them. Down below, I'll suggest bartender starter kit. It's that
You
simple.
just drank out of a mixing glass.
Yeah, that's what we do here. This is
I think
Common Man
Diane is
Cocktails.
getting more names.
Common Man.
Because
goes
we're
on.
teaching you how to drink.
That's right.